In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add transitions in Gamma app in just a few simple steps. If you're creating a presentation, a pitch deck, or any kind of visual story in Gamma, adding animations can make your cards feel much smoother and more professional. It's a quick setting, but it can completely change the way your content looks when you present it. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Gamma account and open the project you want to work on. Once your presentation is open, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the three dots icon. This opens up the additional settings menu. From there, select Page Setup. Inside Page Setup, you'll see an animations toggle. Turn that toggle on. This is the key step that enables transitions between your cards. So when you move through your presentation, the flow feels more seamless and animated. Once animations are enabled, you don't need to do anything complicated. Gamma will handle the transition effect automatically as you present. Now that the setting is turned on, click the present button in the top right corner. This lets you preview your work exactly as your audience will see it. As you go from one card to the next, you should notice the smooth transitions in action. This is a great way to check that your deck feels polished and engaging before you share it with anyone. If something doesn't look right, you can always go back into Page Setup and confirm that the animations toggle is still on. That's it. Once it's enabled, your Gamma presentation will have those clean, seamless transitions built in. It's a small feature, but it makes a big difference in how professional your content feels. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Gamma tutorials and other helpful app walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.